Introducing Zoeshaaa Bling!
I'm blessed with life, I'm blessed with life. Lamborghini on the highway, I drive big bikes, X5. The thing go plug in like dumb drive. I'm it, thank God I'm alive. I'm blessed with life, I'm blessed with life. DJ
Zoeshaaa.
Hey guys, it's your favoriteest girl Zoeshaaa and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing a try-on haul with a few things that I have accumulated over quarantine. So if you're interested in seeing me try on some clothes, stay tuned and continue watching this video. Alright, so the first outfit is this two-piece suit from Shop Sanaya Bees. They are on Instagram, but they also have a website. This is the two-piece, you know, the one with the bodysuit that you can wear either on the outside or inside. You know, if you have like little shape and stuff, you can wear it on the outside and you just can, you know, dry it in a little bit more. But I loved the design. Like a lot of the ones that I seen were like prints, like animal prints and stuff like that, but I loved this like psychedelic, you know, not tie and dye, but yeah, kind of mess with your eyes, kind of so you can't look palm if it's too long type of thing. Yeah, I like this. Yeah, I like this. This will be perfect for vacation. Hey! Yeah, this will be perfect for vacation. So yeah, I will leave a link down below for all of the items, well, not all, but most of the items if I can find them online. So you can go ahead and purchase them yourself if you're interested. But yeah, this is the first item. I'll be back with the next one. Okay, so this next item is from Fashion Nova. It is a black pleather two-piece pantsuit. Yeah. Now the only thing I'm gonna like about this are the knives. It's very crunchy. That's the only thing I'm gonna like, and it's hot, like very, very hot. Apart from it being black, the material is just very hot. But I love it. The straps are clear, so it just looks like, you know, like it's hanging on from nothing, like hanging on to dear life. You know what I'm gonna say? Yeah. Yeah, very, it's cute. It can go on, it can go on, it can go on. I have a thing for two pieces. Like I love two pieces, like whether it be a two-piece short set, pant set, skirt set, whatever the case may be. I love two pieces and like rompers, like those are my thing. So I really, really like this. And yeah, I could have probably even got it low. Yeah, I'm a sweat in this, but I could have probably got this even in a smaller size. But yeah, that's it for this piece. So this next two-piece item is also from Fashion Nova. Now, I don't know if I'm just tall or if these are actually supposed to be like capri-like, because they do not go down to my ankle. So I don't know about that, but I can wear it as capris, or I'll just give it away to somebody who's shorter than me. But this is cute. It's very cute. It's very comfortable. I would probably wear this like when it's like cooler, you know, like cooler weather, just because of the type of material or whatever the case may be. But this is really, really cute. Really cute. Yeah, girl. I mean that. Yeah, Zoe, is you that girl? Introducing Zoeshaaa Bling! People! Hello? Wanna see? Wanna steer? Wanna see? Wanna see? Wanna steer? Hold on. Wanna see how I stay? The outfit, yeah. I stay. Wanna don't mind my belly, I'll do it and go down. Wanna don't mind my belly in the frack here. You understand? But people, this outfit is beautiful. Oh my gosh, I was so scared because I was like, yo, you know, bandage stuff really. But me I work on my belly so it's a go down. No man. Hello. This a outfit here. This a outfit here. I went like, no, my husband I go carry me go somewhere. Yeah, because you know, so dance now keep in a quarantine time or something like that. So you know, so when we have to go somewhere, and then you just yo, this is so cute. No, like legitimately, this baby is super cute. The only thing women I like is that it literally like sticks on. And like, you know, me not like when material pan clothes like look prick up because things are drip on it. But this nice bad. Like this nice bad. Like me I feel myself in that one here. This nice bad. This nice bad. Bad to bad. This nice bad girl. Yeah girl. Are you that girl? Yeah, 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 girl. Are you that girl? Hey! No, I like this. Comment down below if you like this too. Yeah, girl. Are you that girl? Alright, so the next item that I have is this top from Shein. It's this cute snake print, really light sheer blouse from Shein. Absolutely love it. And one thing that I love about Shein is like all of their stuff, well, everything that I've ordered from them so far comes in their own reusable bag. Oh my gosh, can we talk about packaging quality? And a lot of people are scared of like Shein and stuff like that just because, you know, it's Asian or whatever. But I don't mind it. I actually really love it. Like really love it. So you can get a feel for the details. Yeah, girl. Yeah, girl. Move your body like a snake, man. And y'all don't mind, the sun is out and I'm right by my windows, so this is why. Yeah, I'm gonna have curtain coming like them open like everybody can see me. Yeah, but I like this. This skirt was also a buy from quarantine, but I'm not including it in this haul. It doesn't need to be in the haul. But if you guys are interested, I got this from Arden, yeah, in Canada. Oh Lord, look, see what I'm reading? Embarrassing. All right, so this next item that I bought from Shein is this yellow, well, like bright neon green one shoulder blouse. Love it. I was actually gonna buy these shirts to do like make custom t-shirts, but I like it plain, so I don't know, I may have to just go and order another one to do it because I want to, you know, start bringing out some more shirts and stuff like that, but not just regular t-shirts, you know what I'm saying? Like, great gal, you see me? Yeah. So yeah, I also got it in black. I won't need to try on the black. The black looks just like what this looks like in black. Yeah, so yeah, but like this, it's cute, a little cute little beat, like, yeah, where we are go, KFC? All right, well, let me fling on one blouse. Yeah, see the blouse here? Can I get a 5-piece hot wing combo? Make it go large. Yeah. So yeah, I love it. Now the 1 year for when you go on NASCAR race show, good girl. Yeah, girl. This when you go on car show. Yeah, so you can flag the flag and be the flag. in the race car show. This outfit, this two-piece is also from Shein. Shein, yeah. Yeah, it's really light and airy, and that me like with my clothes. I don't like when my clothes have so much fabric. I like quality, but I don't like one heap of fabric. Is it me? I like to breeze out, everything airy, and you know that way there? Yeah, I'm supposed to can go so, and so, and so. So, you see me? I say, yeah, so I like this. This nice. This nice. Baby, want the supermarket? You want the tasties? Yeah, girl. You notice how all of the places mommy are going in Jamaica, people? Airports. So, yeah. That's it for this one, yeah? Still need to look up into my video point down here. But yeah, girl, I eat this, yeah. Alright, people, we're there in Canada now. This dress, I absolutely love it. I love Maxi dresses too, people. This, oh my god, the material, so nice. It give me one little nice little figure. Yeah, I have a little split at the back. Round at the back, it have a split. Yeah. Woo! Talk about embarrassing. But yeah, this is really cute. This is from a store here in Canada called Urban Planet. I believe you guys can shop online if you guys are in the States. Double check, see, they always have sales. It's literally like our Fashion Nova. This one, Sirens, yeah, it's literally our Fashion Nova. So yeah, I think I bought this dress for like $7 or $10, and I got it in black as well. Now I'm thinking like I should have gotten like all the other colors too. I'm gonna go back on the website and see if I can get the other ones. I was just saying to myself, like, this would be like a cute little airport fit with like a nice little jeans jacket, and yeah, I'm gonna just sit up on a plane for the 3.5-hour ride. And I'm a Max, I'm a shield, you see me? So yeah, this, I love this. This, I like this vibe. This is nice. This nice. This nice. This nice. Yeah, girl, this nice. All right, so the next thing that I bought were these jeans. I also got these from Urban Planet. This shirt, no, this shirt I got from Sirens, but they're sister stores, so they pretty much carry the same thing. So it's all right, I can talk about them in the same thing. But yeah, this is a bodysuit. It's like a basic tee, really soft material. And yeah, the jeans, I thought they weren't gonna fit because, you know, I've been putting on some weight in quarantine. It was a little struggle for me, but I did get them up. These are a size 11, people. I went down from at one point I was a 15, then I went to 13 for a while. Now I'm at an 11 and I want to stay here and only go down. So my next size that I want to be is like a 9. I think if I'm a 7, Joel is gonna kill me. But yeah, 9 would be ideal. I loved being a size 9. But yeah, size 11. And yeah. All right, the next piece is this 2-piece short set. I got this from Sirens. Yeah, cute, comfortable again, easily, breezily. Yeah, really cute. This could also be an airport fit too. Yeah, yeah, girl. Yes, girl. Don't mind when I'm looking over here, guys. I have a mirror over here that I'm looking in. But yeah, this could also be a little cute little airport fit. This is really cute. Yeah. Okay, and then last but not least, this coral, I guess not really coral, but like more of like a pink tannish, like a pinkish nude. Cute little outfit. Yeah. It's also a 2-piece. It's a pant set. This I love too. Very comfortable. This could also be a cute little airport fit, but you don't want to wear all your cute stuff in the airport. You know, ain't nobody gonna see you unless you're traveling into Montego Bay. Then, yeah. Got this one, the hot spot. Is it me? But yeah, this is gonna be the last piece. I still have stuff that I could try on for you guys, but I don't want to try on everything, and then when I post my pictures, they're like, oh, no, like them because I'm not gonna say, oh, me see her try them on there already in our YouTube video. So I want to just go off and wait and see when we put the rest of the stuff them on, okay? And yeah, but if you guys liked any of my pieces, please comment down below and let me know. If you guys like these type of videos, comment down below and let me know. If you are new to my channel, hit the subscribe buttons. If you are returning, hit the notification bell so you don't miss another video from me. Woo child. China clothes, hey, me eat it. God know me eat China clothes. Okay?